Spring's around the corner, so I got this idea that, hey, maybe I'd like to grow something, you know, like some herbs or something on the stoop. Must be honest, I didn't realize there's so many options down at the Poleyard, so needed a little bit of help. If you don't find what you're looking for, they're happy to custom make one for you. I've checked through everything. What's going to fit on the veranda, stoop, very small space outside the flat, is this one, this beautiful plant. I don't know if I'm much of a green fingers kind of person, but they give me some of this. They said you've got to have this bidum to put inside to stop like the water in the soil and the plants going through. Now, it's been treated, preserved in tan E. The previous stuff that used to treat wood, it wasn't that environmentally friendly, and also that sort of preservative would get into the plants. You think you're getting an organic mung bean, but in fact you're just getting like chowing lead. So when you get your planter, make sure it's like sealed and preserved in tan E. So I'm going to see, okay, if I can actually grow anything. I've got the planter, let's see what happens.